A couple of Ebola-related notes. The UN mission in Liberia said today that a member of its military personnel has tested positive for the Ebola virus disease, and that test came back yesterday. The patient is receiving treatment at an Ebola treatment unit in Monrovia. The head of the mission, Karin Landgren, said today that UNMIL has taken immediate steps to prevent further transmission. In line with established WHO protocols, the medical team of the mission has conducted an immediate and robust contact tracing to ensure that all those who came into contact with the individual while he was symptomatic have been assessed and quarantined. 16 contacts have been identified to date, and all areas where the individual is known to have been while symptomatic have now been decontaminated. This is a third case of Ebola in the mission personnel rather, and as you know, one previous confirmed case and another probable case which could not be confirmed. Each resulted in the death of a staff member, and on 13 October and September 25th, respectively. Also, the Secretary General Special Envoy for Ebola, Dr. David Nabarro, was in Bamako, Mali today. He discussed the current situation with the measures being taken during a series of meetings with the Malian President, Minister of Health and Public Hygiene, as well as other government representatives, as well as the head of the UN UNMIL mission in Mali, Dr. Ibrahim Soke Fall, and representatives of MINUSMA, the World Health Organization, UN agencies, funds, and programs. Dr. Nabarro said there was a large engagement of the whole population on the Ebola response and that the government was working effectively. But he also said a very high level of focus and attention had to be maintained even if there are few cases around and until the last person was under treatment. He also said that as long as there is Ebola in any neighboring country, Mali needs to remain on high alert. And also this morning in Ghana, the UN Mission for Ebola Emergency Response, UNMIR, received 400 motorbikes from Germany. Each of the motorcycles is equipped with a cooler box and will be used to bring blood samples to labs in the most affected areas in Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Guinea. The handover took place at the UN's humanitarian depot in Accra, and the head of the mission, Tony Banbury, thanked the German people for their donation and said it was an excellent example of international cooperation.